Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to another edition of LetProfitsRun.com video. And well, let's see, what are we going to talk today? Today we're going to talk about good trading habits. Now, a couple of things. First, before you enter a trade, you should already know what your risk is. Risk is usually defined by price, the entry price, minus your stop loss. This is what you are willing to risk for a profitable outcome according to your trading system's age. Now, since this is a single trade out of many that you'll be taking, there's a good chance that this particular trade may not work out. That's just part of trading. Secondly, you have to be totally clear on why you entered the trade. Now, if you have not done so at this point, I suggest you keep a trade journal for each and every trade that you take. You should be keeping records such as the date and the time that you enter the trade, whether you buy or you sell, number of points that you made or lost. And another thing that you may want to consider is the your own thoughts, the thoughts that you had when you made that trade. So for instance, these are some of the things that you may want to consider when you write your own journal. Number one is a signal. Here you write down what are the signals that make you take the trade. Now this can be, for instance, I don't know what you use. It can be moving average crossover or a trend line breakout, whatever. Next is the reason for you to close any particular trade. You want to write down the reasons why you get out of the trade. Was it because you had your stop loss hit, or were you afraid that price was moving against you and you simply exited out of fear? Was there any emotional reason behind it? Who knows? Now the other thing that you want to consider adding into your trading journal would be your own comments. Sometimes you might notice that you fail to see a resistance line just above that long trade that you took. Maybe that line, that resistance line, was seen on another time frame. So that's just an example. So you can jot this down for reference. Finally, the conclusion. Are you able to draw any conclusions from the trade? Was your stop loss too tight, for instance? Is there something in your trading system you feel you need to review? Now, this would be a good place to keep these kinds of ideas and compile them at a later time. Okay? Now, writing all this stuff down will bring a number of things to light over time, such as problems with your trading system, or maybe there are emotional or psychological issues if you are honest with yourself. And you'll be amazed at some of the patterns that will emerge. Well, that's all I have to say on this subject. I hope you've got something useful out of this video. And if you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit on the like button below, or share this video with your friends who may find the content in this video useful. Or simply hop over to LetProfitsRun.com for even more good stuff. Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.